So in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, enter Google Assistant, sign into your account and go to voice match. Enable Hey Google function. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now, let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.